Hello guys, welcome to the second lesson of learning Microsoft Office Word from Literacy Bit. In this lesson we are going to study 3 or 4 options in File tab. So let's open Microsoft Office Word. First go to the File tab. In here we have Home. In Home, as you can see, we have blank documents and some prepared documents. There is Recent, as I have mentioned in the previous lesson, and Recent, it shows that how many files recently we opened and which files we recently opened. Okay, in here we have pen. When we pen, there would be in pen section. So second option is new. In new, as you can see, we have blank documents and some prepared documents as we have in home option. So there are lots of prepared documents that we can use them. And also, if you want more documents or more templates, you can search online in here. So let's open one of these. This is the prepared template. In here you can change the picture, you can put your picture or anything else. This is the title. You can write anything you want, like Afghanistan, and so on. The third option is open. In here, it's same as the new option. You can open files from your PC, from your browser, or there is lots of files that we have opened last week, which is CTMUN, the files that we have opened previously, and the files that we opened this week. It shows us the files, and here you can select files from folders like desktop. In desktop we have these files, or from browser we can go anywhere that we have our files or our documents, we can open them. So let's see, where do we have desktop? Yeah, let's open this. You can see we have opened this file. We're going to the next option, which is info. In info, we are going to study about properties. In properties, we go to the general option. In general, as you can see, there is nothing modified, like who created, it's unknown, and other options. Let's go to the summary option. In summary option, as you can see, the title is written like Afghanistan, because we have wrote this in our template. What is the subject? The subject will be anything like provinces of Afghanistan. Who is the author? The author is Shahid Ahmad Kamal. Who is the manager? You can say a name like Jamal. What is the company name? It's Literacy Bits. Which category? Like 3. What are the keywords? You can write some thing in order to fill this. Like, what is the comment? This is about provinces of Afghanistan. This is hyperlink based. You can write anything in here. Save thumbnail for all documents. You can save this. And this is the information that we need. Like, it is a default information because we have saved this, save thumbnail for all Word documents. And when you want to write something like a book, you have to fill this information because it's useful. We will study where we use this information and print option. Okay, there's this statistics, like it says that there is 2 pages, 16 paragraphs, 27 lines, and a lot of information. So total editing time, we have spent 3 minutes in order to edit this file. And there is the contents, like the titles Afghanistan, these are the headings, and custom. In custom, you can say the name like Shahid. So in here, we select what type we're going to choose or write. We say date, like this date. Okay. When we add this, there will be an information. We press OK. So we have the information that we need in here. The comment, the text, the title, total time editing, how many words do we have, how many pages do we have. So when it is created as printed, because we have never printed this file. Who is the author? You can add another author also, Jamal. This was the second lesson of Microsoft Office Word. In the next lesson, we are going to study about these things, okay? And here we are going to learn how to protect our documents and so on. Do not forget to like and subscribe our page, and do not forget to follow our lesson.